You bet, sir.
You too, take care.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So what I do here, I pull off a good bit of wire here, add a NAC panel. So I got two different conduits here. I'm making the upper conduit. It's going to go to the electrical. Lower conduit is going to be this 14.2 fire rated power alarm wire. So typically what I do is I come across, get plenty, I'm going to bend it down. You got to think about batteries being placed in this thing. Hello. Happy Halloween. There you go. So then I'm going to strip that back down to there. Always leave plenty for the next guy, okay? So I'm going to show you doing that real quick. So, string in there. Take that string. Pull it down. Normally I wait till I get all my wires pulled across the label before I do this, but I'm doing this so you can see what I do. And twist it. Verify your wiring, what it needs to be before you go landing the wires. Meaning where positive goes, where negative goes. Know that before you ever stick your wire over here. This one, negative. Stay on one. You know, you don't want to break the screw off, but you want it to be tight, you know. You don't want the jacket insulation caught underneath the screw either. You want it to be all copper right there. I've seen that troubles. Okay, so that's how the wire looks. There's how I kick that right there, bend it to the back of the box, come across. I'll leave plenty here for the next guy. So if for any reason he has to cut this and change it and extend it up, he can do that. There's plenty of slack there. And I'm going to make all of them uniform. So whatever you do to the first one, Do the exact same thing to the rest of them. And just some little tips. I keep, once I get the box out, you know, and get it mounted, I keep the box right there, so when I start my wiring, I'm not throwing it on the ground, I'm throwing it in that box. So it's just saves a little bit of time in the end. Good morning, how are you?